Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to weekly vlogs number 7. I believe this is. I skipped a few weeks, but we're back. Today is July 25th. We got a lot of stuff planned for this week. Back on that board. All right, so just to explain what the situation is, I was banned off YouTube for 2 weeks. I'm gonna be posting this on the second channel, which you're watching on right now. If it doesn't get posted on the second channel, it's on the main channel. This is exclusive. All the other previous videos I posted on the second channel will now be posted on the main channel, so you can watch them there on August 1st. That's when everything will be back. I'll be rolling content out each day starting August 1st, and every day I'll post a new video. But before we get on with today's video, we gotta travel back in time real quick. We just gotta go over the main point of the video right here. Look at that. Howdy ho. Look where we are. We're back. I haven't been here 2 years. You gotta test the waters.
It's definitely not deep enough.
Jump in the middle. You won't die. See?
I wouldn't do that again. I can touch.
He's alive. This guy's getting cold. Oh boy. Jack's swimming. Yo, Billy. I'm going in.
Are you naked?
I'm going in.
I'm going in too.
Oh.
Why does he have his hat on?
Yeah, right there.
Dramatic much. Bet I drop his phone. They ain't believing us.
I am.
God, dude.
You know the infinity pools? Yeah. Who needs one of those?
I know. Ryan. Come on, son.
Okay, it's filming. This one's really greasy. I hope I don't drop it.
You got the ringwood about to jump off this dumb bridge.
Goes the croc is in the water. Oh, parkour! Parkour! This is gay as bro. I need something down because this shit.
You guys weigh a lot more.
A lot more. You're gonna pump as fast as you can and powerful. There we go. Oh, wow. Go back up. Bro, you gotta do is pump as fast as you can. It's gonna go, it's gonna go! Oh, shit!
Really pressing.
I heard you push it down here, Aunt. You were Aunt C.
Aunt C strength, Aunt C strength.
Put it in.
Everyone, clear the zone!
But I'm wearing like 3 hats.
Good morning, everybody. Today we're dropping a tree into the water. As you can see, I'm pretending that there's boats coming, and I'm supposed to be guarding and saying no, they can't come through, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that. We're gonna watch this tree get dumped. No boats yet. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it was going. Oh, here comes a boat. Rich is a boat! Rich is a boat! Oh, there it goes. Oh! There it goes. Oh, Black God! I'm so done with this.
I'm gonna swag gun. You got swag gun?
All right, ready, swing them. 1, 2, 3! Yeah. Two more. Let's go.
Alrighty, here we go.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, currently out of gas. Just sitting here doing absolutely nothing, waiting for Tim to give me the gas because I ran out. I gotta walk all the way back that way. I gotta wait for some gas. Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm getting gas. Timmy is coming to save me. In the trailer, we're stacking chairs, tables, and more tables. Bringing trash cans over.
You didn't have Timmy as a ride.
Oh, here it comes. The bench. Great workout. All right, beautiful workout complete, guys. Heading down to the UPS store. Great workout. We hit back, all that fun stuff. Now we're just out here heading down. All right, just pulling up to the UPS store now. Keys, guys. You always need keys. Successful weekly vlog here. I'm dying. The car is hot as balls. Should probably turn it on, but whew,